shouldn't go that
I see
far.
that, yeah.
See that adjuster?
Yeah.
We need to loosen it up there and rotate the gear.
No, I don't think it's the problem. Because see, right now, the range, bottom and top there, keeps it from doing that. But what's wrong is we need to actually get the travel right. We want it to stay there though with the distributor right where it's at. So
Okay.
hang on.
So we're gonna have to adjust both.
Probably. So now move yours where it needs to.
That's, you want up or down?
Down.
That's down.
I mean, it's all.
That's all the way down.
It's all the way down. Okay. So we still might need more. See, now it might need.
But see, that's what I'm talking about. That's all the way down. That gear needs to be rotated down more so it never can pull out. Because watch it when it comes up. Boom, boom, boom. Right there is as far as that gear should ever go.
Okay, hang on. Now it's timed right. Okay, now go.
That's all the way down there.
Oh, great. It just needs to be timed a little bit. So now, hopefully it hasn't put us way out of time here. If it has, we're just going to simply...
Loosen that set screen adjusted.
Yep, loosen it right here and just make it to where it runs the best, and then give us our full advance. Because really, the thing's got enough, compression. I was trying to crank it by hand there, and man, it's
a lot of volume.
It is a lot of volume. Okay, well, let's see what happens. I know it's got a nice hot spark. It did light me up.